Okay, my wife had this recipe for these better than Wingstop chicken tenders, so we decided to give them a chance. These are the ingredients for the seasoning. This is for the ranch, and this is for the breading. Mix up the ingredients. The ranch is done. Pour the seasoning in the batter. And you need to batter these twice. So that's once. Let them sit around a little bit. And that's twice. It's a little messy. Luckily, I'm holding the camera. She's doing the heavy lifting. Doesn't look pretty, but it came out delicious. Next, fry it up. We cook these to about 190 degrees internal temperature, 190 to 200. Better safe than sorry with chicken. Now, the optional butter part, we decided to do it this time. It's a butter topping that you pour over. We liked it. Came out absolutely delicious. Try it out. Let me know what you think. The recipe's down below. Thanks for watching.